Hello, and welcome to Storytime with Speech and Smile. I'm Miss Stephanie, and I'll be reading your story today. Today's story is called Crosby, the Not-So-Snappy Crocodile. I'm very excited to be reading this story and using our Say and Play Story Kit mini objects to go along with the story today. Why don't you go ahead and get yours out, and we'll get started. Crosby, the Not-So-Snappy Crocodile. This is Crosby the Crocodile. Crocs are scary and snappy, but not this croc. He is caring and happy. He looks like other crocs, green with razor-sharp teeth. But despite his tough exterior, he is kind underneath. He is friendly, not fierce. He is sensitive and calm. His teeth snip, not snap, and his claws don't cause harm. Look at me. I'm a crocodile, but don't judge what you see. For I don't hiss, scare, or snap. I'm as gentle as can be. Crosby's thoughtful and positive. Affection makes his heart swell. He loves anything beautiful and lovely, fresh smells. He loves being creative and humming with birds. He grazes on the greenery like the other jungle herds. He doesn't eat live prey. He finds it mean and unkind. He couldn't harm another. He's not that way inclined. Look at me. I'm a crocodile, but don't judge what you see. For I don't hiss, scare, or snap. I'm as gentle as can be. Crosby loves watching stars as he glides down the river. He is a peaceful soul and an elegant swimmer. He never gets angry. He is joyful and fun, but he just doesn't fit in and never has done. The other crocs, they tease Crosby, are unkind every day. They laugh and make fun of him and won't let him play. Look at me. I'm a crocodile, but don't judge what you see. For I don't hiss, scare, or snap. I'm as gentle as can be. Crosby isn't understood. Other crocs find him strange, and he begins to wonder if he should change his ways. So he tries to be scary, bares his teeth, snaps his jaw. He practices mean faces, but the crocs laugh even more. Your teeth, they are useless. Your grin, it's so wide. You're supposed to be a crocodile. Don't you have any pride? Look at me. I'm a crocodile, but don't judge what you see. I don't hiss, scare, or snap. I'm different, but I'm me. Crosby doesn't want to change so that he can fit in. We don't need to be the same. And I love my big grin. I don't don't want to be like the others who hunt, fight, and laze. I want to sing and dance, to relax and stargaze. Crosby's confident in himself. He refuses to feel rejected. I won't stop being who I am. I deserve to be accepted. Look at me. I'm a crocodile. What do you see? I don't hiss, scare, or snap, but I'm happy just being me. So deep into the jungle, Crosby swims all alone, away from the crocs and the swamp he calls home. He notices the overgrowth by the sides of the river and starts to tidy it up, using his teeth as scissors. Before he knows it, he has trimmed all the trees, used his claws to cut bushes, and made decorations with leaves. Look at me, I'm a crocodile. Do you like what you see? I sing, smile, and snip. This happy crocodile is me. Crosby dances in the reeds, and he sings to the flowers, snipping so carefully, clawing and pruning for hours. Other animals watch from quite a distance. They admire his work and his persistence. As his last tree is groomed, the animals cheer with glee. Crosby feels very proud. They're cheering for me. Look at me, I'm a crocodile. I know what you see. A happy, creative crocodile who is as proud as can be. With his amazing talent and his smile big and wide, Crosby's accepted and proud and has new friends by his side. We are all a bit different, and the world would be bleak if everyone was the same, not special or unique. Crosby may be a bit different, but now he feels free. He has embraced his true self. Isn't that how life should be? Thank you so much for joining me as we were reading Crosby, the Not-So-Snappy Crocodile. I loved hearing about Crosby and that he found that it was okay to be different. He didn't need to be like all the other crocodiles. He could be himself, and that was okay. He could be caring and kind to all those around him, and it was okay if he was different. I think that's something we can all learn from. I also enjoyed how we could read all the different rhyming words and pair them up with our Say and Play Story Kit mini objects. I love doing that as well as just pairing those mini objects with all the fun pictures on the book. You can go on to speechandsmile.com to find several other story kits as well as mini objects. And you can let me know, what would you like to hear next? And until then, make it a great day.